The focus areas of the Department of Genetics are in plant, animal, and human genetics. This includes research in the field of breeding, biotechnological, and population genetics. Genes are universal to all living organisms, and if you choose to study genetics, your knowledge can be applied to all living systems, from viruses and bacteria to plants, domestic animals, and humans.
So genetics essentially is a field of molecular biology, but it looks at think of it as the blueprint that codes for every single protein in every cell in the body. So in terms of disease or growth or agriculture, the sky's the limit really, but understanding those basic blocks allows us to manipulate to our advantage, but that would be in terms of health benefits as well as making sure that sort of agricultural research allows for food production in an appropriate capacity, all those kinds of things. So anything really.
Genetics is one of those wonderful fields in biology that is so broad that once you have a degree with a major in genetics, you could probably end up in a whole lot of industries. So the pharmaceutical industry relies a lot on genetics and what genetic variation exists for a particular medication to work. If we want to manage animal or plant populations for agriculture or conservation or fisheries, if we understand how those organisms function on a genetic level, then we also understand how to manage those animals or organisms or plants in a better way.
I think you must ask yourself whether you are interested in understanding or have a deeper understanding of the building blocks of all life forms, whether you have an inquisitive mind, whether you're interested to study science, to understand the natural world around you. If you're interested in science in general, this is definitely the route for you.
Remember, when you come to university, you are one of maybe 1,000 students in that first year class. Find that thing that differentiates yourself from the other 999 students and then gravitate towards that. Study something that you enjoy, something that you like. If you do your hobby for a job, it doesn't feel like work.
You can make an impact in our ever-changing world. Please visit our website for full details.